So this is my video for the SOS communications. I'm going to be hearing a message and writing it down, and then I'll be replying to the message that Zach sends. I'm just going to let him know that I'm ready now. Zach, ready when you are. Nice one. I've got how are you, which I think I'm just going to go check and I'll be back if that was correct. I'm now going to be sending back a message to how are you, and what I'm going to say is good, but to make it easier I'm just going to put G and then D. Alright, I'm now going to do it. So let's see if he got it. In the video, unfortunately the whistle wasn't great, but luckily he was pretty close, so he got it. But in a survival situation, that probably wouldn't have been the greatest communications ever, but luckily he did get it, and